The 2025 Massey Ferguson 240 is a powerful and reliable tractor designed to meet the needs of farmers and agricultural workers. This model continues the legacy of Massey Ferguson's 200 series, known for its durability, efficiency, and ease of use. With a strong reputation for being a dependable workhorse, the 240 is perfect for small to medium-sized farms, offering excellent performance for plowing, tilling, hauling, and other farming tasks. Under the hood, the 2025 Massey Ferguson 240 is powered by a robust 2.5L, 3-cylinder diesel engine. This engine is designed to provide maximum efficiency while consuming less fuel, making it a cost-effective option for farmers who need to operate their tractors for long hours. The tractor generates approximately 50 horsepower, which is more than sufficient for a wide range of agricultural applications. It also features a high torque backup, ensuring steady performance even in tough field conditions. One of the standout features of the Massey Ferguson 240 is its simple yet highly effective transmission system. It comes with an 8 forward and 2 reverse gear system, allowing smooth shifting and better control. This makes it easy to maneuver the tractor in tight spaces and across uneven terrains. The transmission is designed to minimize power loss, ensuring that the tractor delivers maximum performance when working with heavy loads. The fuel efficiency of the 2025 Massey Ferguson 240 is another key highlight. With an optimized fuel injection system, it ensures better fuel combustion, reducing wastage and lowering operational costs. The tractor is equipped with a large fuel tank, enabling farmers to work for long hours without frequent refueling. This makes it ideal for long working days in the field. In terms of design, the Massey Ferguson 240 maintains a traditional yet modern look. It features a sturdy chassis and a well-built frame, providing durability and longevity. The seating is designed for maximum comfort, with an adjustable seat and ergonomic controls that make operating the tractor a smooth experience. The dashboard is user-friendly, displaying essential information such as fuel levels, engine temperature, and RPM, helping operators keep track of the tractor's performance. The hydraulic system of the Massey Ferguson 240 is designed for efficiency and versatility. With a lifting capacity of around 1,450 kilograms, it can easily handle a variety of implements such as plows, harrows, seeders, and loaders. The tractor also comes with a Category 1 and 2 3-point linkage, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of farming equipment. The smooth hydraulic system ensures precise control, making it easier to perform various tasks with minimal effort. Safety is always a priority in any farming equipment, and the Massey Ferguson 240 does not disappoint. It is equipped with a reliable braking system, featuring oil-immersed disc brakes that provide better stopping power and reduce wear and tear. The tractor also includes a differential lock, which improves traction and stability when working on slippery or uneven terrain. Another important aspect of the Massey Ferguson 240 is its affordability and ease of maintenance. The tractor is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for farmers to carry out routine maintenance and minor repairs without requiring specialized tools. Spare parts are readily available, and Massey Ferguson's strong service network ensures that support is always accessible when needed. This tractor is highly versatile and can be used for multiple applications, including plowing fields, transporting goods, and even light construction work. Its ability to work efficiently with different implements makes it a valuable asset for farmers looking to maximize productivity on their farms. Whether you need to prepare the land for planting, haul produce, or maintain pastures, the Massey Ferguson 240 is up to the task. In conclusion, the 2025 Massey Ferguson 240 is a well-rounded tractor that offers excellent performance, reliability, and affordability. With its fuel-efficient engine, durable design, and user-friendly features, it is a great choice for farmers seeking a powerful yet easy-to-maintain tractor. Whether you are a small-scale farmer or managing a larger operation, this tractor can meet your needs with ease. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest farming equipment. Let me know your thoughts about the 2025 Massey Ferguson 240 in the comments below. See you in the next video.